Hello everyone, dear students. This is a video for your chapter What Makes Me Indian. What makes me Indian? This is the second part for this chapter and a very interesting chapter written by Ruskin Bond, a writer whose parents are British and who lived in India most of his life. Parents lived in England, but the writer spent his most of time in India. Here he has described his opinion that what are the things that make him Indian. You see here from this passage. I'm almost paranoid at the thought of going away and then being unable to come back. Paranoid means hota hai very suspicious or afraid. He says that I often become very suspicious or afraid when I think about to leave our country and being unable to come back. Means this time was a very crucial moment for him when he has to think about his country's departure from his country. This almost happened to me when as a boy I went to England, longed to return to India, and here he has described a story of his childhood when he was a boy and he went to England. He longed to return to India, but he didn't have money for the passage. But at that time, lack of money, he was unable to move India because at that time he was suffering from money and it was his childhood time, so he cannot earn more money. For 2 years I worked and slept like a miser, so I decided to return India, but it requires money. So for 2 years he worked and slept like a miser. He used all the possible way that could help him to collect money to bring him home. So he used all the possible way. He tried to save money for him. And home was not parents and brothers and sisters. He wanted to return his home, but at his home there was no members like that, parents and brothers and sisters. Everybody was in England. There were no longer here. Home for me was India. And they were not longer there. They didn't want to stay in India because in India only Ruskin Bond understood that it was his home, but the parents and other family members understood that it is house, not a home. So what is it that keeps me here? So he says that now I think here about those things that keeps me here to be an Indian by birth. I take too clearly after a Nordic grandparent to pass for a typical son of the soil. He says that by birth he was very close to his grandparents. His grandparents was Nordic. Nordic grandparents से मतलब हो गया North European men who are very fair, tall, golden haired and blue eyed. Those are called Nordic. Those are called Nordic grandparents. Nordic grandparent. He was very close to Nordic grandparents to pass for a typical son of the soil. People often ask him where he has to help. Where he has to help, then he replied them in a very classical answer, and his answer was India. He answered them, India. But you don't look like an Indian, they protest. But at once he protested. At once he protested that at once they protested that you don't look like an Indian, you look like an European. Then he replied that I'm a red Indian. I say, okay, no, I'm a red Indian. Red Indian means Native American. I'm a Native American, he replied. Native American. India is where I was born and went to school and grew to manhood. He says that India is a country, my native country, my mother nation, where he was born and also he got education. He also grew to manhood. He also learned the lesson of manhood. India provided everything also to his father. His father also born in there, and he also went to school, worked, and he died there. So he says that how can I forget the debt that we are using from India? We means he and his father, everyone was born in India, everyone got education from India, everyone spent his time and learned the lesson of humanity from India. Then how we forgot about the value of India? How can we reduce the attachment from India? Surely that entitles me to a place in the Indian sun. Entitles means gives the right. He says, surely that entitles, that means the tradition of India, the custom of India gives him the right to a place for himself in the Indian sun. If it doesn't, he says, if it doesn't, means if I have not received love and affection from India, the name and fame from India, the education from India, the other things from India, if it doesn't, he says, I can revert means go back. I can revert, I go back to my mother's family and go back to the time of Taimur the Lamb. Taimur the Lamb means Taimur was a lamb. एक तैमूर लंग के नाम से इतिहास में फेमस है, जिसने एक तुर्की रूलर था, तुर्की का रहने वाला, हु इन्वेडेड इंडिया in 1398. He is known as Taimur the Lamb. He was the ruler of Turkey at that time, and in India's history he is known as Taimur Lang. Okay, he says that he go back to his mother's family and go back to the time of Taimur Lang, who has invaded India and looted all the costly things. Okay.